All right, SI joint. So many people come in the clinic or we go to the houses and they describe that pain, shooting pain, like all the way right in here. And first of all, they're gonna say, "Oh my God, my lower back." That's it, my lower back, and that's the problems. And most of the time, they describe it as a burning pain right in this area. I don't know. You see in the camera. So burning pain up here. And sometimes they describe that one side or maybe another side, they might say it's a sciatica, but you already know this is SI joint. What's the most SI joint injury and most common like problems? Car accidents. A lot of forward bending for picking up the stuff. So let me see. Yeah. So if you guys bend and lifted something. So you grab it and you try to pull, that could be the damage. Why? Because when you shift it, it was no weights in your hands and the weight spreading your center of the body weight was right in here in the hips. Now, when you try to lift, it's shifted a little bit forward. Guess what? Those SI joints, they're controlled by this guy. He feel that more weights up there. He start shifted. Now you try to stand up and those joints is not locked properly and they cause pain. And with age, it's coming very, very common. So that's why what we're doing, we always pick it up, the object, bending, squatting, pick it up and lift it up and squeeze. And it's coming from your glutes. So you squeeze and you pull yourself up. So, lay down. Now bring this leg towards the chest. You see right away. Grab with your arm and drop this leg down. Drop this leg down.
Oh, okay.
And try to relax. So you can see this. You see this out. Have to be 90 degrees. So that's mean that quads, it's shortening here and it's pulling this up. You see, boom, right there. Switch. Oh yeah, the get rid of tattoo is more painful. All right, so now we're gonna go back. So people do face tattoo. Now it was a trend. There was a name. It was everyone like good about it. Now people remove them, and now everyone start removing them, and it's more painful. I'm like, all right. So hips, we're gonna find those anterior SI joint, hip bone. Find that groove and jump down. So what we're looking for here, she's not that bad, right? She's not that bad?
No, not that bad. Is it right?
So yeah, that's what we're looking for. We find those. So they this one is actually left is high, right? Yana said the left high from the front. So it was like that. So that's mean. So what's that mean? This one is high. What could be? It could be that tilted this way and elevate this way, right? So you follow me, guys? That's SI joint. Higher. Now we're going to ask her to bend forward. Just go ahead, bend forward. You see what's happening? This finger is stay where they are. Come back. And this finger is rising up. So it's pulling up. So it's pulling. Maybe its ankle is not working. So ankle, not working. Hips, feel that pop?
Yeah.
It's already popped. So is that working? No. Is that working? Close, but not. Now, next one. Ankle, good. Ankle, not the navel. The bone is right in here. Same thing, 4 fingers. Pull it down. I cover her. And she start raising this like, here we go. Do you feel that one?
Yeah, more.
This is like, it pops up right under my fingers. If someone want to feel what I feel right now, come over here. Give me your hand, someone hand. So right in here, place that on the same level. Now ask her to pops. Do you feel that? Legs. Your client is covered. Ask your client, squeeze that arm. Squeeze. Squeeze. Here we go. I feel good force up here. I don't feel on right. Now she turn on. So I tell her, and her brain don't like that. So they turn up right away. So squeeze. Squeeze, and I'm start leaning. Drop down and up. Okay, no pain? Here we go. Woo, hallelujah. You feel that click? Probably this camera, that mic is catch that. amazing. That was going to be crush all those old school. And you should train your kid like this. All those vestibular problems. Do say a couple tasks at the same time. This is the great. So watch those videos. Good? She's already good. All right. So you see? She don't have any pain. And you see my hand is coming on that sacrum, another one on the top. My arms is straight. And what I'm doing here, she's just breathing and I'm follow her. And sometimes you're going to feel that little click. Now I'm going to stay a little bit shaking. If you have a buffer system, I probably buff her. Let it go. First time test. Hold on, David. No. You do your thing. So look at that space. Look at that. Show it to us. So this is the bone. Look, he's. Oh, okay. So he put the fist up there. That doesn't sound good. But we're gonna work on it. Yeah, David. Don't guys be perverts.
Compared to your when
same thing.
You measured.
Same thing. Yeah, I put was.
Is it the same?
Yeah, that was actually more. That side is more. Remember that was a 2.5. This one is 4. Now it's more flatter.
Oh, this one is more.
Yeah, because we work on that one already.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because look how that space is. Yes.
So this one.
So show us the magic. Show us the magic. Start work on that. So lock it in. You know, I will probably get a little bit more up here. Here we go. Now it's more comfortable for you, right? Because I really worry about my health too. And I see, I'll show you what I saw a couple days ago. It look like this. Make sure you don't hit the client's head. Stay side, whatever your dominate side is, whatever the powerful, my right one. And this is what I'm doing. And it's a lot of thing to work on those SI joints. Squeeze them bowl, like I said. Here we go. And you do this around 90 seconds, should be good. Whoa. And see the difference. Next one, we want to calibrate the final calibration. I'm see the level of that posterior sacroiliac bone. If this is one is lower, which is this one, I come in, I usually tell the class, I'm gonna grab your hip, okay? Close to your bikini line. Are you gonna be all right? That's what I say to the client. So she's not gonna be weird if I'm coming in and, can I do this? So just think about it. What client's gonna be doing if you start doing this? Yeah, that's definitely gonna be bad. So I'm touch that hip, pull out, my arms is straight, my back is straight, I pull, switch, holding it, put the other arm on that other side SI joint, pull her, that ilium up, and ask her to push down. And she's balancing. I can feel her whole thing is rotated now. Of course, you don't want to go that way. All right, so thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed that SI joint class. And if you have any questions, send it up. We're still going to be here and try to help you if you need help. What did I just say? If you guys need help, comment below, send us messages, and we will try to help you. And have a good day. Bye-bye.